Alright, my name is Thomas, I'm from Italy and I'm taking CS50. I plan to concentrate in CS and this was really a good occasion to start.
Yeah, my name is Matt. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I also plan on concentrating in CS.
My name's Kabir. I'm from Mumbai, India, and I also plan on concentrating CS. And I'm a freshman.
Nice. Okay, I just love that they're all from such three very different places. How did you guys meet?
We all actually live on the same floor.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're roommates.
You're roommates, and then you're p-setting together, grinding
yeah,
for
exactly.
this class. Okay, great. So tell us about your project.
Alright, so this is a 2D multiplayer game. Basically,
2D or 3D?
It's 2D.
Okay.
Yeah, and we tried to build it with in JavaScript, which was a challenge, I would say. But basically, just to talk a bit about it and the gameplay, you're controlling a spaceship in a 2D map, and you have to shoot at asteroids and other players floating around. And so it's fun. So I think we should try it.
Let's see it. Yeah.
So Kabir is.
Yeah, I'm gonna type in my username, hit play, and we'll see how the magic works, I guess.
Do you want to explain the game?
Yeah, so we move around with WASD, like standard, just computer like key move strokes, and then you press spacebar to shoot. The objective is to stay alive and get the highest score, which you can see on the leaderboard, like in the bottom left corner. We're all like really close to each other. We're not shooting each other just for like demonstration purposes, but
How
yeah.
do you shoot?
And so you shoot by pressing the spacebar. So like here, I'm gonna shoot the asteroid real quick. And so it's like eventually it's gonna break up into smaller pieces.
Wait, do you want to kill each other? Or not?
we do want to kill each other. You were just
You don't have to be nice just because they're your group mates, you know?
Yeah. So as you can see, we have a small mini map. So you can find all the players which are playing with you at the same time. And now we have the 3 laptops connected at the same time. So as you can see, we're all basically connected to the same server. Now I don't know what's going on, but potentially we can scale this so that tens or hundreds of players can connect at the same time. And so that's also one of the things we want to do in the future. So to make maybe more like servers, so that if there's a high number of players, they can all connect at the same time and play all together, and would be fun.
Nice. I have to say, I think this is the first multiplayer game I've seen and that we've seen on the live stream. Would you say that added another level of complexity implementing multiplayer?
Yeah.
you can
It was sort of complicated to get it to work, like in real time, with all 3 of us connected, seeing like where the other players are. And yeah, so we used like Node.js for the server.
Yes, okay. Nice. And then can you give that like a high-level description of what Node.js does and how it allowed you to connect?
Yeah, so Node.js uses JavaScript to run like a simple web server.
Okay, nice. Thank you, I appreciate that. So I think the reason we really wanted to highlight some game projects is this is the first year that CS50 offered different tracks. So the last 2 P-sets, instead of going to live lectures, there were recorded lectures on iOS, Android app, and game development, as well as web, in addition to web, which we've had for several years now. So that allowed more students like yourselves to explore a completely new branch of CS and really just explore that interest. So I think it's pretty impressive that you guys are able to do this, learn this on your own. And I think you talked about where you could go with this further. So hey, you could release it to the Harvard student population.
Of course, hopefully people will have fun and play. I think that's the goal, because right now we've been trying it out, people seem interested, and maybe in the future some other people will join and we find some proper hosting, because right now we're hosting the game on the CS50 IDE, but then in the future, if this actually gains traction and we can improve it a bit, we can actually find a proper hosting to reduce lag and so on. So I think that would be one of the other goals in the future.
Nice. I like that you're thinking about the future. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you very much, you guys.
All right, thank you.